Alright, this is part 2 of the Penske truck turning into an RV. As you can see, we made this hole a bit wider, and we're going to trim off that bottom a little bit and put a wood frame around those edges. And once again, that was just with a skill saw and a blade that cuts through metal. We went ahead and put up our R13 insulation throughout, but before that these windows went in, and what you see there is a perfect square with a hole in the very center, which was used to mark the outside or the inside?
Outside.
The outside of the truck, with the location of where the window was going to go. Drilled a hole right in the center of that, measured from those that center, cut out the wall, put in the window, and then cut out these braces to go on either side of the window, which I will show you as we walk outside. That's what the window looks like, and that's what we've done so far.
The
port side window.
Port hole. Starboard portholes on the other side.
And the starboard porthole.